Hey guys, it's me, GadgetGal38 here. How are you? Well, I went to Walmart today, actually yesterday, and I was in the electronics section and I come across this. It's called iJoy Studio Social Media Kit. Yeah. So it has a phone clip, a tripod, and a clip-on ring light. What? So yeah, start looking at the sides, and yeah, without further ado, oh, they have, they got a TikTok, they got a YouTube channel, they have Instagram and Facebook. What? So go check them out at iJoy. So yeah. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Thought maybe I would try it. It's got this tape on here. So here we go. Go ahead and open it right here. Turn it upside down. So first thing I come to is this iJoy. I think it's a manual. A user's manual. That's good to have. So, yeah. Alright, now let's flip this over. So the first, this is a clip-on light. Oh, there's the clip. Uh-oh. Do I need batteries? A 50 milliamp. Well, it ain't working. Oh, Lord. Y'all, it ain't even working. Let's move on, though. And, oh, Lord. Here is the tripod. So this moves around. That's where the iPhone stands. Here's the iPhone. This is the thing for the iPhone. Or it don't have to be an iPhone. It could be an Android as well. So, yeah, and then you have like a strap, wrist strap, and it comes with a USB to micro, I think, cord. So yeah, and that's everything that's in the box. So let's go ahead and put this on top of here. Screw this in. Oh, alright. It's got a big screw at the bottom, as you can see right there. So you just screw this in. There it is. Oh my gosh. I am got out of touch in reviewing things. I haven't done it in so long. And I do apologize for it. But let's go. Let's go. Alright, so yeah. What is this? I just been read the manual. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? It's supposed to spread out as legs, so you can use this as a tripod, just like this in this picture right here. I'm trying to figure out how to do it. Do I just pull it? I don't think so. Y'all, I need to read the manual. You know we don't read manuals. But I might have to read this one because I can't figure out how to do it. That's that. And that's that. Push the button in to move it like that instead of having that clicking sound. But if I want a video vlog, be like, hey guys. So, but how do I put it like a stand? I don't want to just pull it. It looks like a gun almost. It's not though. Wow. Okay. Alright, so let me check the user's manual. All it is telling you is what's in it. Unfold tripod and place on a level surface. Unfold it. I didn't try to unfold it. Yeah. I done tried to unfold it. I am really struggling. Or is it supposed to be 3 legs? Because look at this. Oh. Well, I finally did it. There we go. Alright, so let's push this back down and let's put this back on. Lord Jesus. Well, doing an honest review about it. Now this does feel very plasticky. So, yeah, let me see if I can. So they go, okay. Alright, so, yeah. You have to put it on something level. So it'll stand, okay? I'm not mind it be too level, but you get the drift. Alright, so let's put these legs back. Let's go ahead and put my iPhone inside. Hopefully I won't have to take my case off. Let's see. Push it up. Wait a minute, hold on. Push it up. And there we go. Boom. But I think I did it on the wrong side. I did it from my left hand instead of my right hand. But if you want to vault, that's how you do it, like this. But yeah, there it is. Oh, I don't know. Well, if you want the light, I guess you have to clip it like this, and the light comes on. Although my light is not on. I'm holding it in. It don't say to hold in, but it's not coming on, so it must not have a battery in there. It didn't say it did not have one included, so well, this would have been a nice product if the light worked, but it doesn't work. So yeah, I did want to come in and tell you this clip you can use like for your laptop and like your tablet and stuff like that, or your all-in-one like that iMac and stuff like that. It needs some light. There it is. This is it. Man, I wish it worked though. I'm a little bummed. Okay guys, so I was looking at this ring light, right? So if you open it up, it's falling on my face. So if you open it up like this, it has that micro USB thing right here. So you have to plug this up into like your computer or a wall socket. Well, maybe your computer. And pretty sure it will light up. Unfortunately, my Mac is USB-C instead of USB B. And I can't do it. And that's unfortunate. And I don't have a USB. Y'all, guess what I found? And I forgot I got this little doohickey. So all I have to do is plug my USB to this. I think. Come on. Right there. And this has the USB-C. So let's see if it will work. I got my MacBook Pro right here. Alright, let's see. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's red. So let's see. It's got different colors, I think. So I don't know what color that's supposed to be. Anyway, it's red, y'all. It worked. So let me give it a few minutes and we're gonna come back, okay? Hey, so here is that light. Oh, Lord. Right now, here it is. It's got a red light in here indicating that it's charging. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, it has a red light. So let's go ahead and take this cord out like this. Just like this. So if you want to put it on your phone, all you got to do is just clip it on. And that's how it looks. So let me go ahead and put everything together. and let you see how it look. Alrighty. So you have different settings for this light. So you got a brighter light. I think it's like 4 different settings. There you go. Let's do a video right quick. Let's see how, let me vlog with the light on. Hey guys, it's me, GadgetGal38 here, reviewing this iJoy social media kit. So I am just want to test out this little ring light that's on my phone. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I think I did it pretty, let me see. Let's do it again. Let's try it. I don't know if I can tell the difference or not, so let me turn it off one more time. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I can tell the difference. Just a smidget, I can tell the difference. So again, they are you guys. So yeah, I think it'll work. Alright. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Alright guys, I love you. Toodles and peace.